the Kuang Si Waterfall in central Laos, about 30 kilometers away from the town of Luang Prabang. Over the years, this area has become significantly more touristy, but it's still a really spectacular place to visit. The waterfall has several major areas. When you first come in, you walk down a small bridge to the main part, to the main waterfall. Then you have a bit of a climb to the top of the falls where you can dip your feet, and it's a really cool, really relaxing place to hang around for a picnic. How's the climb?
Tired, exhausted, but exciting as well.
On the way back, you pass a beautiful several-level turquoise blue waterfall. It's a perfect place for a picture. And then on your way out, there's also an animal bear rescue sanctuary, which is a pretty cool project considering the situation of animals in many Asian countries.